Now, lastly, 137. Let's have a think about their factors. Now, the only factors that we can get is 1 and 137. It's not in the 2 times tables, it's not in the 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, 11s, etc. So that must mean that 137 is a prime number. Now, what do we mean by prime number? A prime number has exactly 2 factors. One of those factors is 1 and the other one is itself. Or sometimes it's heard that a prime number can only be divisible by itself or 1. So 137, we can only divide that by 137. So 137 divided by 137 is 1. And 137 divided by 1 is 137. And there are no other numbers. So if we wanted to list all the numbers under 30 that are prime, now we start with the number 1. Now the number 1 isn't a prime number because the number 1 only has 1 factor, which is itself. So a prime number needs 2 factors. So the number 1 is not a prime number. Is the number 2 a prime number? Yes. Now 2 is the only even number that's prime, because every other even number can be divisible by 2. So 2 is a prime number. Is 3 a prime number? Yes, it is. Can only be divided by 3 and 1. 4 is not a prime number because it's even. 5 is. 7 is. Now 9 is not a prime number because you can divide it by 3. And 11 is because you can't divide it by anything else. And again, 12 can't be because it's even. We've got 13 and then 15. So 15 can only be divided by 5 and 3 as well, so that's not prime. 17 is also a prime number. And also 19. Now let's have a little think of the 20s. So 21 is not prime because you can divide it by 3 and 7. 22 is even. 23 is prime. 24 isn't. 25 isn't, it's divisible by 5. 26 is even. 27 can be divisible by 3, so that must mean the last prime number is 29. Now, which numbers aren't prime and why? So the number 21 isn't prime because you can divide it by 3 and 7. 43, I believe, is a prime because it's not divisible by 3 or 7. 44 isn't prime because it's divisible by 2. 51 is divisible by 3, therefore it is not prime. And 39 is also divisible by 3.